Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Distribution using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in, which is available via my GitHub account. As you can see, the instructions are on the screen. I have separate videos on in case you don't want to use my add-in, and then you can use either the enumeration technique, the recursive, or the shift algorithm. I also have a separate video which discusses a little bit more about the concept of this distribution, so this is going to be short and just about how to use the function itself. So after you've installed the add-in, the function should be available. It has two functions that are of interest now, which is the dy, which is short for distribution, W for Wilcoxon, PMF, which is the probability mass function, and the CDF, which is the cumulative distribution function. Both of these actually have the same parameters, which means you can fill out the t value, which is the sum of the ranks, the n, the sample size, and if you want you can specify the method, which can either be shift, which is the default, recursive, or enumerate. The PMF shows then the probability of obtaining exactly a rank sum of the given t value, and the CDF shows you the probability of obtaining a t value as given or less. So for example, if we have a t value of 6, so a sum of rank of 6, and we had a sample size of 5, we can use the probability mass function as shown here with that specific method. I didn't have to specify shift because it's actually the default, so if I leave it out it will still work and gives me the same result. And it shows me immediately that the probability of having a sum of rank of 6, if the sample size is 5, is about 10%. The cumulative one shows me the similar result, but now it shows the probability for having a sum of rank of 6 or less. Alright, and that's how you can use the function. I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.